Welcome, Butte-Silver Bow citizens. I'm JP Gallagher, and I'm just going to give a little report. Been about 1 month into my office, and I just wanted to report out some of the goings on in Butte-Silver Bow and just touch base. As I said, it was important that we connect with the community. So first off, I'm happy to report that on Tuesday, February 16th, we are going to be opening up the government buildings. And so that will start business on opening of business hours on February 16th. All government buildings will be open. Now, we will follow all protocols and restrictions that the health department has put in front of us with the 6-foot distancing and still wearing our masks. It's important. I know that the governor came out with a independent no mask restriction, but Butte-Silver Bow Board of Health has continued with the mask restriction, and we are supportive of that. So when you're entering the government buildings, please bring a mask with you. We ask that everybody be respectful of this ordinance until we get past and get into the safe numbers that we know that we can safely do away with the mask mandate. So just a real simple precaution. We ask people just to be conscious about it. Don't be confrontational. It's a small sacrifice that we all have to give into to get through this pandemic. So other things going on in Butte-Silver Bow. We kicked off an Uptown master plan meeting this last week with the BLDC and our community development. We had over 200 people that attended that kickoff meeting. It's going to be a great thing for Butte-Silver Bow as we look at how we can really develop Uptown Butte and reimagine what that could look like. So that's exciting news and a lot of involvement and a lot of energy in our town during this time. As you know, our COVID numbers are starting to look better. There was a little bit of activity over Super Bowl weekend, which we can kind of expect. But so the health department is really watching the numbers to make sure that we don't have any surge there. But we've been holding right underneath the 10% positivity rate, which would allow us with also the 25 per 100,000 cases reported. If we hold that for 2 weeks, then we can open up a little bit more with the number of people that are gathering together, the 75% into the businesses, and then up to 50 in groups of people. So keep working at this. We have such a great community, and it's because of everybody's diligence to working with the Board of Health and the Health Department in these restrictions to make these numbers go down. And if we stay the course, we're going to get through this. We've had vaccine clinics, and that is something that Butte-Silver Bow has to be really proud of. The Health Department, along with St. James and Southwest Community Health Center, they've provided the vaccine clinics the last about 4 weeks, and we have vaccinated close to about 25% of the population here in Butte, and we've already started the second vax clinics as well. This last Wednesday, we vaccinated over 1,024 people. It was a fantastic clinic, and everyone that goes there, you see the energy and just the enthusiasm and joyfulness that comes out of that, knowing that we're moving to recovery. Some of the hard things that have had to be done during this pandemic, again, we are not going to have a St. Paddy's Day parade, and I applaud Matt Boyle for trying to do, with all of his efforts, to do a possible virtual St. Paddy's Day parade. But again, we would have a parade during that time, and the worry of people gathering together was just something that right now we still don't want people to be gathering in groups, and so it was determined that wasn't the best idea, is to have the St. Paddy's Day parade this year. I'm in support of the health department's decision to not have that, and so we're going to go forward. We know people will still want to go out and gather during that time, but again, we want people to really try to be as safe as we possibly can. I know everyone's anxious to get out and start moving on and moving our economy forward, and those things will happen, but again, we need to stay the course. I've got to applaud just the whole Butte-Silver Bow employees, everybody that's working through all of these tough times. We finally had a big snowfall. Public Works Department has done a fantastic job with the roads and the parking lots and sidewalks throughout town, and just everybody with the extreme cold that we're going to be facing over the next few days, please pay attention and help those people that are most in need in our community. The Butte Rescue Mission is always in need of supplies and food and different things, but be conscious of those people that really are affected by the cold and the snow out there in our community. And so with that, lots of great energy in Butte-Silver Bowl right now. I'm excited about being in this position and being in the lead of such a great community. I'm just asking everybody to, I know times are tough and we all want to get out in the community and do different things, but please stay the course, follow the Board of Health's restrictions. We're going to get through this. And if we all work together like we have over the past year, there really is light at the end of the tunnel. So with that, I'm going to sign off for today. I wish everybody a happy and healthy weekend. Stay warm, and then also have a great President's Day weekend. Take care.